Daniel,
hari ikintu bari bafite.
there's something they had.
Banze kwiyandurisha ibiryo by'ibwami.
They didn't want to eat the food of the king's palace.
Kubwira ngo hano hanze hari ibiryo.
I want you to know there is food
Ariko
outside.
tugomba kumenya icyo dusonzeye. Kuba nshonje.
To be hungry.
Ntabwo bivuga ko ngomba kurya igihari cyose.
It doesn't give me permission to eat whatever I
see.
see.
Ibiryo bigomwe mu gice cya mbere.
Whatever they did not want to eat in this chapter.
Nibyo byabarinze mu rwobo rw'intare.
It protected them in the pit.
Icyo wirinze nicyo kizakugoboka wakomerewe.
What you avoided will rescue you.
Abantu bazi ko Daniel yarindiwe mu rwobo rw'intare ariko ni ibiryo yanze kurya.
People think he was protected in the pit of the lion, but it's because he refused to eat some meat.
Yanze kurya ibiryo by'ibwami. Nta muntu n'umwe ushobora gupfa gutambuka ibiryo by'ibwami.
No one can just leave the king's meat.
Ariko tugomba.
But we have
kutagira ikindi kintu.
To not mix.
We don't have to compromise.
Tugomba
guhagarara mu byacu twebwe kwizera.
We have to stand in our belief.
Tugahagarara.
And stand firm.
Inzara yacu.
Our hunger.
Tukabasha kuyikontrola ikajya aho igomba kujya.
And control our hunger.
Amapeti dufite.
The appetite we have.
Tukayorienta kuri Yesu Kristo.
We orient it through to Christ Jesus.
Hallelujah.